Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Starting here, we got some mowers. That's pretty much $3.99 for the push mower Eagle. I think that's a really good price. This is a really premium tool. I would say this is probably one of the better looking tools or better looking lawnmowers from this store. So really nice. And then they got this Craftsman. This got this Honda. I didn't get the price for the Honda, but the Craftsman is $2.39. It's not a bad deal. And then they had this smaller one. It's like a budget mower here. Really small deck though. Then they had this Craftsman here. Then they had this Craftsman pressure washer for 99 bucks. It does come with like a soap dispenser or soap cannon. $3.29 for the gas pressure washer. And then $1.29 for the weed whacker. It's a 2-cycle 25cc, so it's a very small weed whacker with the straight shaft. Then they had this. This is one of the newer tools that they have. It's $400 and it is for the Cobalt 24 volts brushless. It is a self-propelled 20-inch cordless lawnmower. It looks like it does have two batteries. So if you're on the Cobalt line and the 24 volt Cobalt line, if you already have batteries for it, you know, why not step into this line of power tools? It says it does include two 24 volt 5 amp hour batteries. So I guess that's a new tool. Whoever said that the Cobalt tools were going away, where they're actually expanding. So, and they still have the 40 volt right there for $2.79. They got the push mower, and then they got the self-propelled to the left. So $3.99 for the self-propelled. Then they got the self-propelled, I believe $5.49 for the Eagle. And then $3.99 for the push mower. So really nice looking mowers. I really like the LEDs on the front. Design seems to be pretty nice. This one's a little ugly, but it's $2.99. Very inexpensive. It is a Craftsman 20 volt max, so if you're in the Craftsman line, you can pop in 2 batteries in here and get going with some mowing there. It says 15 minutes runtime. Looks kind of weird having it flat like that. So then you got this Craftsman 239 gas, and then $2.79 for that one. And they had some blowers here. So I didn't manage to get this blower for like 40 bucks. I don't know if they still have running this deal or not. It looks like they're not. It's $129. And then they had this backpack blower for $249. And then they had this backpack blower 40 volt from Cobalt for $299, which I never seen before. It just catch my attention. That's why it looks like it does have the battery on the top. Like I said, I never seen this before. I don't know if you guys seen this before. And then they had the Eagle. That's the box for the Cobalt, $299. And that's the Eagle 56 volts, $399. And that's what it looks like with the big battery on the back. So if you guys don't know, Eagle does have a big battery. It's huge. And then that's the chainsaw for Cobalt. 24 volts, $129. And then they had this, the weed whacker for $109, and then the mower for $299. A 2-cycle 25cc, 17-inch. Then they had this mower. It's a 21-inch gas, 150cc for $299 from Craftsman. And they had this deal. So $50 off on any of these tools, I guess. I got impact driver, drill driver for $149 with one battery. Two batteries for $99. I got a chainsaw for $179. You got a string trimmer there and a blower combo. And then they had this, the buy one get one free. It says select Craftsman 24 volt max battery tool or battery and get a 24 amp hour battery and charger. So you get that for free if you buy a single tool. So definitely check it out. If you guys want to get into another line, if you like one of these tools, make sure you guys get these deals with the free battery. Got the radio down there, you got the fan. So those are fairly inexpensive tools you can buy and pretty much get the battery for free, basically. And they got this 25 piece kit there for $12. And then they got the buy more save more eligible Cobalt 24 volt max. So I guess they're running like a buy more save more. So $20 will get you if you buy $200 worth. If you buy $300 worth. So and it goes forward like that. So $299 for the 3-pack or the 3 impact driver, drill driver. And I can't see what the other one is. It looks like a impact wrench. And they had this kit at the bottom for $249. It looks like maybe a 6-tool combo kit there at the bottom. And they had the jigsaw for $119. And they had the light for $69, floodlight, and the Bluetooth speaker to the right for $79. I was trying to read the fine print there. It's just a lot to read. But it looks like it only includes the 24 volts, not the XTRs. It's just the regular 24 volts. So if you buy more, you save more, I guess, with this deal. And it looks like you get an impact driver there for $99, a router for $119. So you got a lot of tools to choose from, basically. That's a flat light. And then they got that kit there for $99. It looks like a 227 piece with the 3 drawers for $99. And then they had this 80 piece Pro drill and drive set, 24, just under $25 with the tough case. And then they had this, the XTRs. So circular saw for $109, reciprocating saw for $109 bare tool. You got the drill driver kit there for $119, impact driver for $134 kit with the case. Looks like a buffer there or sander for $139. So 25% off on these tools, I guess. And those are the tools that they're advertising with the yellow tags. And they got some DeWalt. So $159 for the bare tool, it looks like it. $199 for the angle grinder. And then that looks like a circular saw for $199. You got a reciprocating saw for $179. You got a light there for $179. And then you got a what is that? A drill driver for $179. Looks like a drill driver kit. It's $21. Looks like you get a magnetic sleeve there. You got some 2-inch bits. Phillips bits, $21.93 or $23, my bad. And then got this 52 piece for $9.98. You guys see it does include a lot of little pieces there. It does include some nut drivers, a magnetic sleeve. Now you got the buy one get one free from Craftsman. which it looks like it's the same as the other side. That's a really good deal there for $149. The 2 brushless impact driver dirt driver with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. And they got the what is it, like a hammer? Like a hammer, is that's an angle grinder for 99 bucks. It's hard to see, sorry. My screen's like really blurry. They got the 35 piece for $15.98. $3.99 with that rolling toolbox, the 5 tool combo kit XTRs. It's a really good deal there for under $400. They still have 3 of them, so if you guys need them, pick them up. And they got these gloves. Looks like some leather gloves for $9.98. And they got this 10 tool combo kit, $5.49. It's a 20 volt max. I don't know if these are brushless or not. My guess they're probably not brushless. So, but if you want a big kit like this, you're probably saving more money with something like this. You know, it's a one-stop shop basically. They got the radio for 99 bucks, Craftsman or DeWalt. And they still got the buy more, save more here from Cobalt. You got a sander there for 89. You got looks like a drywall screw gun for 99. Got an angle grinder for 99. A jigsaw for 129. Multi-tool for 169. A sander for a belt sander for 139. And you got the compressors here, $239 for the Cobalt. That's one of the Quiet series, the Quiet Tech that they call it. That's one of the bigger ones. So really nice that they're making making them more quiet. $5.89 for this one. It says it's one of the bigger ones here, as you guys see, for a shop. Then they got this looks like a 15-gallon, 225 psi max psi, 15-gallon for $3.99. Then they got this $3.49. It's a 4.5 gallon. And they got this one for $3.49. Looks like a 4-gallon. My bad. That's it right there. And then they got this Metabo for $1.99. It's a 4-gallon. That's it right there. And they got the 6-gallon, $1.99. Pretty much once you get to 6-gallon, you can start running framing guns. So if you want to run a framing gun, you can start with the 6-gallon. Yeah, these little ones here, the 2 gallons, the 2.5 gallons, they're not big enough for that. So this is a 6-gallon right here for $2.79. With it already comes with looks like some finished nailers, a stapler. That's it right there. Comes with the hose. And then that's just the pancake compressor there for 99 bucks. It's a 6-gallon. Like I said, one of these will run framing nailer. They got the Quiet Tech from Cobalt, $209 with the 4.3 gallon. And they got the smaller one, the 2-gallon for $159, the Quiet Tech. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and excuse my voice. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.